So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to log in with Discord token. So when you're in the Discord login option right here, so don't use the application, just start with the browser, and then go to the top right corner, and then go to your settings right here, or actually just go to more tools depending on the browser you're using, and then go to developer tools. From here, you want to find application right here. So if you don't find it, just try to look for it right here. And then if you find application, go to local storage, hit that down button, go to Discord, scroll to the very bottom, and then add token in the very last section where you can add token and type it in. And then here the second box, you'll just have to paste your token where you can log in automatically. So if you shared the token with other people, note that they can also log in from there. So just try to keep it secure, and here just paste it in and you'll be able to log in as usual using your Discord token. So basically that's how you log it in with your Discord token, and there you go.